Hello students, welcome to English class. How are you doing? I hope everything is going great. So students, as you know, we have already discussed the pattern, the format of letter, how we have to write a letter and the do's and don'ts. Step by step, we have already discussed everything and already one letter, the letter to editor, that also we have done. So today we are going to discuss letter number, the category number 2 in the letter, formal letter. It is the complaining letter. As you can see, we have one example to discuss, and with this we are going to discuss all the steps of complaining letter, how we can write a good complaining letter. So first of all, complaining letter, what are complaining letter? In which we are complaining to any firm, to any company, or to any government office. We are presenting our problem, and through a letter we are informing to all those people and requesting the officers to resolve, to sort out our problem, our case. So here we have an sample letter for you all. The question that we have here: a number of loose electric wires are hanging from a lamp post near the main gate of your school. Write a letter of complaint to the mayor municipal corporation explaining the problem, the danger it poses, and suggest a quick solution. So first of all, to whom you do have to write this letter? You have to write this letter to the mayor of municipal corporation. And what is the reason behind it? That so many loose electric wires are hanging from a lamp post near your school main gate, and you are really concerned, you are really worried about this. Anything can happen. These are so dangerous for all the students. It should not be. So that is why you are writing this letter to the mayor. So let's start writing. As already you are aware about the format, first of all we have to write the sender's address, and who are senders? We are senders. So we have to write our own address, and as you can see, address is not given. So here you have to write any address. So it's written, anything you can write. 154 Swan Park, Ludhiana. Date, as per the day, you can write the date. And then the receiver's address, to whom we are going to write this letter. It's the mayor municipal corporation. So we will write the same, the mayor municipal corporation. City will be same, Ludhiana. And afterward, salutation. Salutation is sir, dear madam. Anything you can write, or respected sir or respected madam, this also you may write. Then it's the turn of subject. Subject, in short, we have to write the subject. So it is problem of loose electric wires. This is sufficient, this will go. Problem of loose electric wires. And then we have to start writing the body of the letter, and the body of the letter we have to divide in 3 parts. First of all, we will give our introduction, then second one we will define our whole problem, and third paragraph we have to write what exactly shall be the solution of this problem and what exactly is there in our mind, what we want. So let's start it. First paragraph: I am writing this to draw your attention to a very serious problem. Near the main gate of our school, school name, it's mentioned in bracket, Little Blossom Model School, Swan Park, a number of loose electric wires are hanging from a lamp post. Some of them may be live wires. After the school time, when the groups of students come out of the school, the feet of some students get entangled in these wires. So here you have defined the whole problem, what is going on there near your school main gate. and how you have to write an introductory line. We need, I am writing this to draw your attention, this and this, and the problem about which I'm going to talk is really so dangerous for everyone. It's a serious threat for everybody. And what now we will write the problem, that near the main gate of our school name we can mention in bracket, number of loose electric wires are hanging. So exactly what is written in the question you can write here, and afterward you can add more lines. From a lamppost, some of them maybe are live wires. The live wires means wires full of current, electric current. After the school time, so when groups of students come out of the school, so it's a usual scene whenever the school is over, students are coming out in the groups, friends, and the feet of some student get entangled in these wires. So it's a usual, it can happen anywhere. If wires are there, if the group of wire is hanging to the lamppost, so the feet can be mixed up there, the feet can be catch up with the fires. So I have a second paragraph, I have a grave apprehension that these loose wires may become the cause of some accident. So the writer says, I have a serious apprehension that these loose wires may become the cause of some accident. So anything dangerous can happen there if they are not attended to immediately. I would therefore like to request you to request the electricity department. So this is the third paragraph. Here you will mention what exactly you want, what can be the solution. So you are saying, I would therefore like to request you to request the electricity department to get these loose wires fixed or removed. So this is your suggestion, and this suggestion is sufficient as you are writing that what I want, that these wires should be fixed or removed. And at the last you are writing, we have to write yours truly, Pavan Sharma. So students, it was an easy example I have taken so that you all shall aware with the pattern how to write and how you can define your problem in an easy way, and how you can write your complaint, and how you can easily write a complaining letter. So now we have an example of inquiry letter. This is the third category of formal letter. Here you have to write an inquiry letter. Inquiry you can do regarding some furniture for the school. You want to purchase some furniture, or you want to purchase any product like AC or anything. So there you can do inquiry, or maybe you have seen an advertisement in the newspaper and you are calling to that agency, and that can be you are writing a letter to that agency, so that can be your inquiry letter. Or you want to go to abroad and you have to write a letter to the abroad consultancy, that can be inquiry letter. So if you really you want to complete a course through an academy, that can be your inquiry letter. So inquiry letter are so many. So let's discuss one inquiry letter. The question that we have here, you are Parminder Jyoti of 10 Kamlesh Enclave, Pune. You are interested in joining English language school to improve your communication skills in English. Write a letter of inquiry to the director, English language school, 4546 Patel Apartments, Andheri, Mumbai. So have you got it? You are Parminder. If you are a girl, then you will write your name as Jyoti, and if you are a boy, you will write your name as Parminder. And address is given, our sender's address 10 Kamlesh Enclave. We have to use the same one address at the starting. And then what is the reason that you are writing this letter? You are interested in joining English language school to improve your communication skills in English. So you are interested to do this course, and that is why you are writing an inquiry letter to the director of English language school, and the rest is address. So let's start writing. First of all, the same one address that is given we will use here, 10 Kamlesh Enclave, Pune, and then you have to write date. Then address, the director, English Language School, 4546 Patel Apartment, Andheri, Mumbai. So this is finished. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, and then comes the salutation. Dear sir, dear madam, anything, because the name is not given, especially we don't know the director is a lady or a gent. So dear sir oblique dear madam is written. You can write anyone. Then subject comes, subject in short, inquiry about joining the Institute for Improving English. You that want to join the Institute of English. Then in the first paragraph you will introduce yourself. I am a student of BTech. I am interested in joining your institute for about 2 months to improve my communication skills in English. Would you please give me the following information? So this is an inquiry letter. You will write all those things whatever you want to inquire from them. So you first of all you have to make up your mind. You have to think about how many things you can ask here. So by listing it you can write all these number of things. So suppose you want to what you have to do, think in your mind that you want to complete or you want to join a course of English class. So what were things would you like to confirm from that firm or from that company or academy? So you can write that this is the easiest way to do. And here what is written, the date and time of the start of new batch. Yes, first of all you will ask that when the first batch is going to start or the new fresh batch is going to start. Then second is the duration of the course. You would like to know that what is the total duration of the course, 1 month, 2 month or 3 month. Then third most important thing that you would like to ask, that the charges, the fees, so total charges payable. Then if it is the course is in the another city, you want to go there, then you would like to confirm the hostel accommodation is provided by that academy or not, if any. Then teaching methodology, this also you want to know how or what is the way that where they are teaching, what is the way that they all have acquired to teach, what is their methodology. So this is the thing. You can add up some more information there if you would like, or this is it, this is the end. Then you can wind up your letter here. I hope to hear from you soon. You have written all those requirements, all those whatever you want to confirm. Then simply you will finish up your letter that I hope to hear from you soon. Then afterwards simple thank you and yours faithfully, Jyoti. So see, it was so simple. It was so easy. This is the easiest way to write any inquiry letter. So students, I hope you all have got it exactly. One inquiry letter and one complaining letter. So students, now it's the homework time. What you all have to do, I am going to give an assignment on our Google Classroom platform. I'll assign one letter of placing order and one letter of complaining letter, and you have to solve your letter. You have to write one letter there in the Google Classroom, English Google and Classroom, and you will submit your entries there. You want to solve by typing your letter, you can do this, or you want to solve the letter in your copy and you want to attach, you want to link the picture of after completing the assignment, after completing the letter on the copy. That's your wish. The way you want to complete your assignment, it's your wish. But students, make sure you have to submit it before the due date. So take care of yourself, stay inside. Thank you.